Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This video is for slightly advanced keywords. In this video I'm going to talk about how to orient edges while doing the last pair. But this video is not enough to go through all the cases, so please watch till the end. If you want me to make more advanced videos like this, so please leave a comment. Hashtag we want more. Okay, enough talking, let's start the video. If you have this F2L case and these two edges are oriented, now you can do U sledgehammer and insert. Now all edges are oriented. Now you can do ZOLL, COLL and 2 logo LL. Wait, I only talked about first case. Then you can clearly see the difference between these two images. I only talked about when yellow edge is not connected to the white corner. So you can do the same thing in the second case. If you know how to orient all the edges in second picture, please let me know in the comment section. And now you can continue. Now if you have the same F2L case, but now these three edges are oriented, only one edges needs to go here. So in this case you can do same algorithm that's shown in this video, RURS and U2 solve this F2L case. Now you have all the edges oriented. If you have the same case and you don't like this first algorithm, you can do another one, RU2 RS. Now solve this case, all the edges are oriented. Now if you have same case with these two edges oriented, you can see a line, so you can do this algorithm, all the edges are oriented. Now you can play with these three algorithms and you can figure out how to avoid dot cases by using these three algorithms.